Bonnie, happy Wednesday! Oh my goodness, you guys. It's like a day and a half now until Bath & Body Works Candle Day 2021. I'm actually really excited. I've got my wish list going. It's all color-coded. I've got so much to tell you guys. I think I have my wish list pretty much solid. It's always a moving wish list because things change. We never know what's going to happen. And my budget has gone up just a little. So, first of all, new stuff online today at Bath & Body Works. The cute little royal bear, here it is. I'm like, where did I put my bear? Cute little royal bear pocket bag is now online. Along with, I'm going to put a screenshot up, the Royal Bear Wallflowers plug. I'm like, I have to have that. That is so adorable. They put a couple more gift sets online. Nothing too exciting. No new candles today. We just have those 4 Giving Tuesday candles. We also have a concentrated room spray sale, which is kind of neat. They are $3.95, limit 20, and you have to use the code SCENTGIFT online. And then if you go into the store, you have to use the email codes. If you happen to be in the store today, these are a pretty good deal at $3.95. There's a lot of Christmas ones that are worth picking up there. So, day and a half before Candle Day, what's a girl to do? Making lists. So I tried to be really organized with this. So I'm going to put my blog up on the screen. It's www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com. I will also put a link below. You're going to want to head over to my blog because all of this information I also have on my blog, so you can read it a lot slower. It'll just be easier to look at. I also want to give a huge shout out to my fellow YouTubers who are also doing a lot of work for Candle Day. It is definitely difficult to compile all this information. I will put some links below. Definitely check out Tina Marie. She has so much good stuff online. Check out Life Inside the Page. Tess, oh my gosh, I'm going to put a link to her blog below. She has so much good information. Tiffany Vanessa has good stuff on her Instagram page. I will put a link below to her, as does the Candle channel. So definitely check other channels out. There's a whole bunch of people who are doing really good Candle Day videos leading up to Candle Day. So if you actually type in like Bath & Body Works Candle Day on YouTube, you're going to find a whole bunch of other people posting, which is great because then you get all different opinions. It's wonderful. Usually what I do for Candle Day is I create a fairly simple wish list where I just take a Google Doc, one page, and I type in every single candle that I want. I print it out, and then I have it in front of me when I'm shopping online or when I go in the store. This year, I'm going to put a screenshot up. I did a color-coded table. These are super simple to make. This is Bonnie's Candle Day wish list for 2021. And if you go into your Google Docs, if you have Gmail, and create a table in the landscape format, you can create one of these fairly easily. So what I did was I've got the first column are my Christmas must-haves that I really want another Christmas candle. I've got the Giving Tuesday candles. I've got the luminary candles. These are a lot of new ones. I know everyone wants that vanilla swirl brownie, toasted hazelnut praline. I did the plaid collection. That's a lot of candles that are coming back, like the hot buttered rum, the red velvet cupcake. I did the New Year's collection, which I think is one of the prettiest collections. I've seen a couple people posting these on Instagram. There's a lot of those. These are mostly repackaged scents, but the packaging is pretty. And then we have that beautiful, it looks almost like a cityscape. I don't even know if I have the names of these collections correct, but it's like they're really pretty. They have like, like buildings in the background. I know a lot of people want that Merry Maple pancakes. Those are the ones that I am interested in. So as you can see, what I did on my sheet here was I've got pink for the must-haves, and then I've got the Christmas collection in green. Now, there's a couple that I didn't highlight that I'm kind of on the fence about. So right here, there are 29 candles highlighted. And then I also created a list of the White Barn and then like other spring candles that are coming out, and I've highlighted Paris Cafe. So that's my 30. My budget was 330 candles, and I have no room for my wild cards right now. So I'm getting a little bit nervous. So as you can see, I really didn't put anything on my list from the White Barn collection or the spring collection. Most of these are repackages, like your watermelon lemonade, your pink apple punch, island margarita. They come back, you know, year after year. I'm going to have to see some of the packaging to decide. Pretty darn sure that they're probably going to bring out some things that no one online has seen yet, that these are like kind of surprise collections. So what I have on the bottom here is my wild cards. So what I'll probably do is just handwrite some stuff in here. But for the most part, these are the two lists that I'm actually going to use. So if you head over to my blog, or if you go online and you kind of search on Instagram, you search on YouTube, a lot of people are talking about all the different candles that are going to be available for Candle Day. You can create your own table, and then it's a little bit more organized. So when you're shopping online, you can go, okay, in the Giving Tuesday, for instance, I want the entire Giving Tuesday collection. I think those jars are really pretty. I'm just going to go through and do all of them, put all of them in my cart. Once I see some of these other collections, I might be able to change them out. For example, in the New Year's collection, I might find, I think black tie is supposed to be on there too. Isn't black tie coming back? I just saw that this morning. So here's an example where I have some space down here. I can write in, we got a couple of write-ins here, you guys. You can write in any candles that might be missing off of your list. That's why I like to have it like the day before, so it's a little bit more manageable, and then my write-ins aren't so complicated. So, for instance, in the plaid collection, you know, I might see Berry Spritzer and go, you know what, I want Berry Spritzer. So I can put notes on here and say, check them off. I actually purchased that one. It makes it more manageable because otherwise it gets a little bit out of control. And what I mean by this, oh my gosh, you guys, check it out. I actually on my blog listed, and I want to hot link some of my reviews on here. I just haven't had a chance yet. Look at all of the candles that I just typed out. These are currently online, you guys. These are the Bath & Body Works. There's 174 candles currently online. From, I did them in alphabetical order, Apple Garland, all the way down to, what is the last one on the list? Winter White Woods. That's a lot of candles. Bath & Body Works, I think, has the largest candle selection of any candle company currently producing candles. You don't really realize how many candles they have until you type them all into a spreadsheet. Trust me, you guys, this is a lot of candles. So if you go to my blog or even go to the Bath & Body Works website, I highly recommend, of the current collection, you make your list of which candles that you want. You can type them on a Google Doc, and then what you can do is you can highlight the ones you want, because none of the current collection is on my Candle Day wish list because I wanted to keep this separate. Now, a lot of these candles are going to be a crossover. For example, Strawberry Pound Cake. Strawberry Pound Cake is currently available in the White Barn collection. You could buy it online right now, but it's supposed to be part of the New Year's collection. So I've got Strawberry Pound Cake here. You want to make sure you buy the design you want. So that's another thing you're going to want to do. You're going to kind of like go through your list and cross-reference. So Mary Cookie is another one that is currently on one of these lists. I know there's a Mary Cookie here somewhere. Yes, here it is, in the plaid collection. That's the one Bath & Body Works actually has on their app. Obviously, Mary Cookie is in the collection right now. So you got to decide which style do you want. Do you want the new, actually, I think the current collection, Mary Cookie, is a lot prettier with the whimsical design than the plaid collection. But I was thinking about getting the other one too. So there's a lot of work to be done between now and tomorrow night, whenever Candle Day may launch. So I still don't have any information on pricing. I don't know what the price point is going to be. I'm hoping it's like $9.95. I hope it's under $10. And then the other thing we don't know is when they are going to land online, especially for like the app members, because most people have access to the app rewards now. So it might be a little bit crazy. If you are shopping online, make sure you get on early because the candles will sell out online. They'll all of a sudden go, sold out. So you're going to want to get on as early as you can. I'll be doing additional videos as I get more information. But there's multiple ways you can do a wish list. I mean, you don't have to get as fancy as me. I went a little overboard with the color coding this year. But you can just grab a notepad or a journal and just write down the scents you want. I just wanted to break it down by collection, for me especially. Only because I want to make sure I get each one in each collection so that I can review them for you guys. So, oh my gosh, you guys, head over to queenofthegirlgeeks.com so you can see all the lists I've created. Definitely check out below. I've listed some other YouTubers that you're going to want to check out. Some people on Instagram. It's going to be a wild ride now between now and Sunday. With Candle Day launching. I can't wait. I'm really excited. I am. Every year I get excited for Candle Day, and I'm really hoping we have some surprises because I do like a good surprise on Candle Day. Let me know how you're going to do your wish list, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.